What's up, guys? This is Carl with an SPC, and this is my PAX South PC that I took this year to the byoc. Figured I'd make a short video to show it off before I took it all apart. I'm going to be using these parts for another build that I've got going on, and I figured I'd shoot a little bit of video to kind of show you guys what it's about. I'm filming this on a GoPro Hero 7 with no mic. I don't have the adapter to plug in my regular mic, so you might hear some. You may not even be able to hear me at all, actually. But oh well. The main focus is on the PC, not me. But basically, this is my custom painted Fantex Evolve Shift X. I stripped this thing down, painted it white to go with the white Mayhem's fluid. I wanted to do a little bit more white, but I just didn't get a chance to get there. I wanted to paint the rad, I wanted to paint some of this other stuff, but I ran out of time. So, but basically it's a Ryzen 7 1700X. I've got the Gigabyte B450 Aorus board in there. This is an awesome little board. This is my first ITX build, and this is a good board. I'm gonna keep it around and use it in some upcoming builds, because really, besides the Strix ITX board for Ryzen, there's not much more there's not very many more options for ITX stuff in Ryzen. So I'm gonna keep this board around. This is a good little board. I'm gonna try to do some overclocking on it when I have some time. I might set up a test bench and throw a Ryzen in there and see how it overclocks. I'm using my regular G-Skill 16 gigabytes in here. This is a combination of bits power and EK water cooling stuff. Bits power fittings and rad, EK pump, res, CPU block. And then on the back I'm using a Fantex Glacier block for a 1080. And I'll be showing some footage of this stuff kind of while I'm talking, to kind of give you guys a tour of the PC. The fans in here, I did not want to use these fans, but they were all I had laying around that matched, that I had 3 of, I guess. I had a couple of Corsair fans, but I didn't have 3. I only had 2, so it was gonna look a little bit off. I decided to use the Thermaltake old school ring fans. I will tell you this build was really hard for me. I've done quite a bit of water cooling stuff in bigger cases. This ITX small form factor stuff is really hard, and I used 16mm tubing, which probably made it twice as hard. I should have used 12mm tubing, but I didn't think about it. And basically at one point this thing leaked all over. I had a puddle on the ground here that was massive, and I was about to tear it all to pieces, but I didn't. I put it all back, and kept it going. I did burn up the RGBs in the Velocity block. That's a brand new Velocity block that I bought for this build. I burned up the RGBs. What I did was I used because there's only one RGB hub on this board, so I split off of it 3 times, and I'm not sure what went wrong, but I heard some crackling and popping when I plugged it in, and it just happened to be this block's RGB was just flickering on and off, and it finally just popped and went out completely. So I have it disabled now. I'm gonna keep the block around. Might use it in some other other builds, but it has no RGB capability anymore. So I don't know why it did that, really, but you probably shouldn't split off of one RGB hub 3 times. That's a bad idea. But I'm gonna be showing some B-roll throughout this to kind of give you a little bit of idea of what the build looks like before I tear it all apart. I probably won't do another small form factor build for quite a while. I'll probably do one next year. It's February 2019 now. I'll probably do one next year just to kind of use some of these older parts that I've got. They're not bad. I just won't use this combination of parts again. And in this case was pretty hard to work with, but it came out real clean. There's some areas my paint work, I'm using automotive grade paint, so there's some areas where my paint work didn't come out as planned, but oh well. But otherwise, enjoy this video. I'm gonna be doing another build here coming up for DreamHack Dallas is next, and then QuakeCon 2019. So this is my next 2 builds. Probably won't do nothing real crazy like this. I don't know yet. I don't know. It just depends. But thanks for checking out this video. Subscribe if you like cool water cooling PC stuff. And I'm going to try to get back to some regular live streams as well. But till next time, catch y'all later. Peace out.